Am I the a-hole for being furious at my now husband? My 33F husband, 30M, and I were married last week. I had been extremely relaxed throughout all the wedding planning and during the actual event, because I know unexpected things happen, and if anything goes wrong, or isn't precisely as we wanted, it's not a huge issue and might even make the event more memorable for our guests. The single thing I told my husband I didn't want was him smashing cake in my face. I suspected that he might think it's amusing, so during the planning, I explicitly told him not to do it. I don't find it funny. I didn't want to ruin my makeup that took hours to apply, and I didn't want cake on my costly wedding dress. I told him I would be furious if he did it. He promised that he wouldn't. Well, when it was time to cut the cake, what did he do? Smashed the cake in my face. It got on my dress and ruined my makeup, just as I feared. I'm pretty sure his friends talked him into doing it, not that it makes it any better. I maintained my composure, went and cleaned up and put on a smile for the rest of the reception. But afterward, I let loose on him. I yelled at him that this was the only thing I asked him not to do, and he promised that he wouldn't. He told me I was being dramatic, that it's not a big deal, and we should just enjoy our time as newlyweds. So was I being overly dramatic?